Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 120 daily used English sentences. So, let's start the video. Can I change the channel? Can I change the channel? He has traveled all over the world. He has traveled all over the world. Let's go see what is going on there. Let's go see what is going on there. He doesn't have passport with him. He doesn't have passport with him. Don't delay, do it today. Don't delay, do it today. How could he pass without studying? How could he pass without studying? Please count me in for the party. Please count me in for the party. He is a big fraud, don't believe him. He is a big fraud, don't believe him. Dear, you look amazing today. Dear, you look amazing today. Please answer my question. Please answer my question. How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? He looked at me from head to toe. He looked at me from head to toe. Pardon me for my mistake. Pardon me for my mistake. Don't believe everything you see. Don't believe everything you see. Please catch me, I am falling. Please catch me, I am falling. His performance was very impressive. His performance was very impressive. Don't drag me into your quarrels. Don't drag me into your quarrels. Please blow out the candle. Please blow out the candle. Don't think too much about it. Don't think too much about it. Persuade him to come back. Persuade him to come back. Go home and take some rest. Go home and take some rest. Can I give you some advice? Can I give you some advice? How do you make money on YouTube? How do you make money on YouTube? Please don't ask me anything. Please don't ask me anything. Don't run away from problems. Don't run away from problems. Have another slice of bread. Have another slice of bread. Pick me up at the bus station. Pick me up at the bus station. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. How have you been doing lately? How have you been doing lately? Please deal with this matter. Please deal with this matter. Didn't I tell you not to go out? Didn't I tell you not to go out? Do your homework regularly. Do your homework regularly. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Pay my last month's salary. Pay my last month's salary. Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? Fill the glass up to the top. Fill the glass up to the top. Please allow me to work. Please allow me to work. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Never assume anything. Never assume anything. Please consider my request. Please consider my request. Could I see your ID, please? Could I see your ID, please? Did you have a good journey? Did you have a good journey? Meet me when you get a chance. Meet me when you get a chance. Can I leave a message for him? Can I leave a message for him? Don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything stupid. Father, please believe me. Father, please believe me. Can you fix this photo frame? Can you fix this photo frame? Look who came to our house. Look who came to our house. In order to log in, you have to type in a special password. In order to log in, you have to type in a special password. Who do you think will get most votes? Who do you think will get most votes? Most of the people I had invited turned up. Most of the people I had invited turned up. These regulations were made to protect children. These regulations were made to protect children. Technology promises to make our lives easier. Technology promises to make our lives easier. She always makes me laugh. She always makes me laugh. Don't throw away your old shoes, give them to me. Don't throw away your old shoes, give them to me. Consider an idea or plan carefully before making a decision. Consider an idea or plan carefully before making a decision. If you get up early, try not to disturb everyone else. If you get up early, try not to disturb everyone else. What dress shall I put on for the meeting? What dress shall I put on for the meeting? Don't disconnect the phone. Don't disconnect the phone. The news really made my day. The news really made my day. She put a blanket over the sleeping child. She put a blanket over the sleeping child. The car had toppled over the cliff. The car had toppled over the cliff. Log into your account to see how much you have spent. Log into your account to see how much you have spent. Millions of accounts have been hacked. Millions of accounts have been hacked. Don't copy from the book. Don't copy from the book. Each young person must be accompanied by an adult. Each young person must be accompanied by an adult. We don't know the cause of the accident. We don't know the cause of the accident. There is easy access by road. There is easy access by road. Think over the matter and then make a decision. Think over the matter and then make a decision. Don't believe in superstitions. Don't believe in superstitions. This machine only accepts coins. This machine only accepts coins. Please call me at 10 tonight. Please call me at 10 tonight. She has decided not to accept the job. She's decided not to accept the job. Will you be able to come? Will you be able to come? There's nothing you can do about it now. There's nothing you can do about it now. Don't call me on this number. Don't call me on this number. Please ask someone else. Please ask someone else. He asked me to marry him and I accepted. He asked me to marry him and I accepted. Buy me at least one chocolate. Buy me at least one chocolate. Don't waste your time watching TV. Don't waste your time watching TV. I will look through the catalog later today. I will look through the catalog later today. Be brave, strong and fearless. Be brave, strong and fearless. Exercise in order to improve the strength or appearance of your body. Exercise in order to improve the strength or appearance of your body. She is eager to try out her new computer. She is eager to try out her new computer. Don't care what others think. Don't care what others think. Relax completely and not allow things to upset you. Relax completely and not allow things to upset you. Please come and have tea. Please come and have tea. Take time to shop around for the best deal. Take time to shop around for the best deal. Why don't you lie down on the bed for a while? Why don't you lie down on the bed for a while? Have you ever lied to your partner? Have you ever lied to your partner? I need some time to think. I need some time to think. Can I see that picture? Can I see that picture? As far as I know, he is still alive today. As far as I know, he is still alive today. Does your husband understand you? Does your husband understand you? It's a matter of urgency. It's a matter of urgency. He has already left for home today. He has already left for home today. Could I have a glass of water, please? Could I have a glass of water, please? How far is your school from here? How far is your school from here? I am on the same wavelength as you. I am on the same wavelength as you. He was wounded in a car accident. He was wounded in a car accident. I look forward to seeing you soon. I look forward to seeing you soon. Do I look like a thief to you? Do I look like a thief to you? There is no room to make any mistakes. There is no room to make any mistakes. I need to save up some money. I need to save up some money. It's time to move forward. It's time to move forward. I need to stretch my legs. I need to stretch my legs. Coffee would be nice, please. Coffee would be nice, please. Did you do it on your own? Did you do it on your own? He took me out for dinner last night. He took me out for dinner last night. I never said that. I never said that. Make a good impression. Make a good impression. It won't be long now. It won't be long now. I can't cope with this. I can't cope with this. I have not spoken to her in a while. I have not spoken to her in a while. Let me check that for you. Let me check that for you. You are being unreasonable. You are being unreasonable. I wonder what will happen next. I wonder what will happen next. Enjoy your afternoon. Enjoy your afternoon. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. I love your style. I love your style. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.